Hey guys, welcome back. So today, I've got two things in mind to show you. One is to make this auto swapper. As you can see, it swaps the armor. And two is to get all these different heads. Like, isn't that cool? All these heads are custom, easy to get, not hard at all. So let's go straight into it. So you've got all these heads. You've got Unspeakable, you've got Zeus, you've got Ninja, you've got a chicken in a cart, you've got TNT hamburgers, and as much as things you can imagine. So it's not that hard to get. I think it works on Java and Bedrock, but you'll need command blocks. If you don't know how to get command blocks, you just go into the thing and do /give your username command block, and then you've got one. Once you're done, place it down, and then go to this site called minecraftheads.com. Well, I just searched up an easier way to get this. You can search up. Let me get all the way to the start. So you can go and Google and search up Trainhead Minecraft. And once you're done, go on the second link. Tag Railway 34 Minecraft heads. It can be anything, any Minecraft head. I did this, and you can also search up your Minecraft head in the top right corner. And I'll also be showing you a cool build I made with the Minecraft head. So this build, it's kind of complicated, but it's not that complicated. All you need, I made my own custom train. It doesn't move, but it's cool for decoration. So it's not that hard to make. All you need is a stone cutter, armor stand, then you place the stone cutters down, then you place 2 armor stands, but since you can't place another, you will need a fishing rod. You will place this armor stand here, get a fishing rod. It might take a while till you get it, but once you've gotten it, and then you go over here, and then you get it. Okay, that's pretty good. And then you get a piston. Place the piston facing towards you. Then place any type of block. I've been using smooth terracotta. And then get a button. Smooth quartz. And then get a button. Once you've gotten the button, place it on top like so, and then click it. Okay, now that you've done that, all you need is a train, which let me just get. So, getting the train. Okay, and then go back. And once you've done that, you place the train. Oh, whoops, I did it wrong. Just place the train carriage It could be a bit crooked, but it doesn't really matter. You can make it as straight as you want, but this is just a fast video. Piston, a button, and then you place the piston as I told you. Okay, there. You've got your own train, and you can also put like miniature rail around like so. And you can make it as big as you like. That's a pretty good example. Also, since it's not in a straight line, fishing rod, then you can, once you've placed the rails, you can just hover right on top of the train, line thing, the railway line, and then you just hover on top of it and move it. Like so. Okay, this one went a bit crooked. Okay, there you go. You've got your train. And also, you might not know, but you've still got your normal heads. Like, you've still got your normal ender head and all that. But there's also something really cool. I can have like this head, or Unspeakable's head. I don't know why it's not getting it. Not there. There, look, I've got Unspeakable's head. Yeah, and it's not hard to do that. So, in another video, I'll be showing you, because we've just run out of time, how to make, the armor swapper. Like this. It's not that hard. You can also make your own design. And yeah. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and bye.